Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Paint Crafts is probably one of the most exciting and engaging activities for kids aged 4 to 8. Painting is a fantastic way for children to express themselves creatively while developing their motor skills and hand-eye coordination. From colorful masterpieces to fun DIY projects, paint crafts offer endless possibilities for artistic exploration and imaginative play. Let's dive into the wonderful world of paint crafts and discover some amazing ideas to spark your child's creativity. Number 5. Creativity for Kids Rock Painting Kit. This kit lets you create and share kindness. Paint, decorate, and hide these rocks for others to find. It's a fun way to brighten someone's day. This rock painting kit is ideal for kids who love arts and crafts. It includes everything needed to create unique, glowing rocks. It's a great gift for any occasion. Hide your painted rocks outdoors and watch them glow. The paint is weather-resistant, so they can withstand the elements. Share them around your neighborhood. Gift, hide, or share your rocks with friends. See how others have decorated theirs using the hashtag. It's a fun activity for everyone. Give the gift of creativity with this unique craft kit. It's designed to nurture kids' confidence. This kit is recommended for ages 6 and up. What we like. This kit is all about spreading joy with glowing rocks. It's perfect for kids who love to create and share their art. If you have a little artist who enjoys hiding treasures and making others smile, this is a fantastic choice. The weather-resistant paint ensures their creations can brighten up the neighborhood for a long time. What people say. It came with 2 bags of different shaped rocks, puffy paint and flat paint with 2 paint brushes. It gave so much room for creativity. The colors were beautiful. I put them outside days ago, and with all the rain we have had, they are still painted and glowing. A fun activity with 2 preschoolers. Good set. Great kit providing lots of fun. Number 4. Purple Ladybug SunGemmers Diamond Art Kit. Introducing the SunGemmers Kit. Everything you need is in one box to create beautiful, sparkling window art. It includes pre-printed designs, color guides, sparkling stickers, and easy instructions. It's easy and mess-free. Kids simply peel and stick the colorful gems onto the templates. This makes it a hassle-free creative activity for both parents and children. This craft project enhances fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. It also encourages imaginative expression. It's perfect for kids who love arts and crafts. It's a wonderful gift for birthdays or holidays. This kit provides hours of screen-free entertainment. Kids can proudly display their decorative window art. Made with non-toxic, kid-friendly materials, this kit ensures safe, long-lasting fun. The stickers create a vibrant, stained glass effect that brightens up any window. From the makers of Purple Ladybug, winner of the 2024 Parents' Picks Award. Discover more exciting SunGemmers kits with unique shapes and styles for kids 6 and up. What we like. This SunGemmers kit offers a mess-free and engaging crafting experience. It's designed to boost creativity and fine motor skills. If you are looking for a fun, easy, and rewarding activity that results in beautiful window art, this is the perfect choice. It's a great way for kids to express themselves and decorate their space. What people say. Easy to do, nice finished project. The kit comes with a ton of sticky gems, like 6 to 7 colors, and each color has both large and small gems to use. Each project could be completed fairly quickly, 30 minutes or less. The gems were sticky and adhered well. They turned out very cute and were beautiful as sun catchers. Number 3. Dan&Darci Glow-in-the-Dark Rock Painting Kit. Looking for a gift that sparks imagination? This kit is perfect for kids who love art and a touch of magic. It lets them create unique, glowing rock designs. The kit comes with everything needed to get started. It includes natural river rocks, glow-in-the-dark paints, glitter glue, and fun accessories. They will have everything they need to create amazing art. The star of the show is the glow-in-the-dark paint. When the lights go out, the rocks come alive with beautiful designs. Imagine the excitement on their faces. Whether they're beginners or experienced artists, this kit is fun for everyone. The paintbrushes and accessories make it easy to add personal touches. It's a great way to get creative. This kit is a perfect STEM project and a fun way to spend time. It's great for individual play or group activities. The process is fun, and the results are rewarding. What we like. This rock painting kit truly shines when the lights go out. It includes puffy glow-in-the-dark paints and various accessories. If you like the idea of a craft that combines creativity with a touch of magic, this is the one. It's a fun and educational way for kids to unleash their creativity and create something truly unique. What people say. Great gift for kids 6 to 9. Nice selection of art decorating supplies and smooth stones. Boys and girls enjoyed using it. Quality product, kids loved it. This kit was so fun. My 2 kids loved it. It came with everything as advertised and really was a great activity while camping. The glow-in-the-dark paint is so fun. Number 2. DIY birdhouse and wind chime kit for kids. Looking for a fun craft project? This kit is perfect. It includes everything you need to build and decorate your own birdhouses and wind chimes. Inside, you'll find 2 birdhouses, 2 wind chimes, paints, brushes, and strings. It's all there, ready for you to start creating. The wooden boards are pre-cut and slotted, making assembly a breeze. It's a great activity for kids and parents to enjoy together. Let your imagination run wild as you paint and decorate. It's a fantastic way to express yourself and create something unique. This kit helps develop hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills, and self-confidence. It's a fun way to learn and play. This kit makes a wonderful gift for kids ages 3 to 12. They will love building and painting their own creations. What we like. This kit provides a hands-on experience of building and painting birdhouses. It's a great way to develop fine motor skills and encourage creative expression. If you have kids who love to build and create, this is a fantastic option. They will enjoy the process of building and decorating their own birdhouses and wind chimes. What people say. My 2-year-old, with supervision, and 5-year-old had a blast making these. We hung them up on our porch and we love hearing the wind chimes. Everything was in the box, super easy to put together, and it was great quality. Simple and easy. My 6-year-old absolutely loved them and how much creativity could be used. My granddaughter, who is almost 5 years old, loved doing this project. Actually, I loved doing it too. They look beautiful hanging in our tree, hoping the birds will come along and make them home. Number 1. YOFUN Wooden Magnet Painting Kit for Kids. This amazing kit includes everything your child needs to create their own unique wooden magnets. It's a fantastic way for them to express themselves and have fun. Inside, you'll find 26 wooden magnets, 2 sets of colorful paints, 4 brushes, and glitter decorations. It has everything needed to create a masterpiece. With multiple sets of paints and brushes, friends can join in the fun. They can create their own wooden art together, sharing colors and ideas. Looking for a great gift idea? This kit is perfect for birthdays and parties. It's a unique and engaging craft activity that kids will love. The paints are water-based and non-toxic, and the wooden magnets are made from BPA-free natural wood. It's a safe and enjoyable activity for children. Buy with confidence. If you have any issues, please contact us. We're here to help you give your kids the most unique wooden magnets. What we like. This kit provides a fun and creative way to make your own wooden magnets. It includes multiple sets of paints and brushes, perfect for sharing the fun with friends. If you like the idea of a craft that's both fun and safe, this is a great choice. It's a perfect activity for playdates or parties, allowing kids to create and share their unique artwork. What people say. This is actually a box of cute, fun, and easy little paint projects that older siblings can enjoy doing with younger siblings, or whichever adults or older kids want to enjoy with or without little ones. As thin as the objects are, the magnets are strong. They are well made and the magnet actually holds things on frig. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.